Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money using debit card on Pocket Option. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Pocket Option, you can use these platforms. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Depositing money on Pocket Option using a debit card can offer several benefits for traders and investors because number one, debit card transactions are usually straightforward and processed quickly, allowing you to fund your account and start trading without delays. Now, most debit cards are accepted by online trading platforms, making them a very convenient option for deposits because, as you all know, many banks offer instant notifications for debit card transactions, and it can help you monitor your account activity in real time. If you already have a bank account, you're likely to have a debit card linked to it, right? Now, it's make it easy for deposits without needing to set up additional payment methods. Unlike credit cards, debit cards do not require you to borrow money, making them accessible to a wider range of users, including those who have limited or no credit history. Now, for you to be able to deposit money on Pocket Option using a debit card, all you have to do is click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. And from here, all I have to do is click on deposit. Now from here, it's a very straightforward process because all I have to do is put in your country region. That's going to be top up. We're going to deposit some funds and you can choose all these platforms that you could, all right? Now, for example, I'm going to be using Bitcoin. And of course, you need to enter the amount. For example, I wanted 150 or 200 or 300, doesn't matter, 500. Now, I'm going to use out 200 for now. If you don't have a promo code, leave it blank. If you do, just put it here. You can also choose your gift for deposit. Now, the thing is, just click on the continue and pay $200. And what will happen is you will be forwarded around here. Okay, now to complete the payment transfer, just put it on the information here. Now, when you head back again to the top up options, if you're on a different region, we would just select the popular, which is going to be the Visa, MasterCard, and that's going to be your debit card, right? Now, I want you to click on it, and from here, you need to pass a full verification process for you to be able to move forward. And again, just verify your profile. They would be asking some legal documents for your identity. But the thing is, it's the same process. For example, you put in like $200 or 300, it doesn't matter. And again, like the same process earlier, if you have a promo code here, just put it in. And you can also choose your gift for deposits, all right? Now, after doing so, you would be able to use your debit card here on Pocket Option. If you encounter any problems along the way while depositing money on Pocket Option using your debit card, you might want to go here instead. Click on the chat support staff here, right? And again, you can always ask questions here. And let's see if we get an answer. As you can see, it's only available to clients with a newbie profile. If that's the case, click on help and go to the support service. Go to the general chats and type in your questions to see if you get an answer, right? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.